Bitcoin touched a 5-week bottom at $74,250 during Saturday trading before staging a recovery. The rebound came after President Donald Trump announced that a peace agreement with Iran had reached the largely negotiated stage. The agreement involves the United States, Iran, and several Middle Eastern nations, including Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Qatar, Pakistan, Turkey, Egypt, Jordan, and Bahrain. A key part of the deal is the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, a critical waterway that has been closed since late February, causing upward pressure on global energy markets and affecting risk-sensitive assets like cryptocurrencies. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the most important shipping lanes in the world, facilitating about 20% of global oil exports. Its closure has heightened fears of energy shortages and geopolitical instability, which in turn has dampened investor sentiment toward volatile assets such as Bitcoin. The market reacted swiftly to the news. Bitcoin climbed from its $74,250 low, and the total cryptocurrency market capitalization bounced back by approximately $75 billion in the wake of the announcement. This rapid recovery reflects how sensitive digital assets are to geopolitical developments and macroeconomic signals. Despite the recovery, Bitcoin still trades 39% below its October all-time high. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. And remains on a downward trajectory. The geopolitical developments have sparked a broader market recovery, with digital assets regaining significant valuation. The reopening of the Strait of Hormuz is expected to reduce geopolitical tensions and stabilize energy markets, which could support a broader financial market recovery. However, the full impact of the deal remains uncertain. The final aspects and details of the agreement are still being discussed and will be announced shortly. Until then, the market will remain cautious. The reopening of the Strait of Hormuz is a crucial mechanism for easing global energy concerns, which in turn could improve risk appetite and investor sentiment toward volatile assets like Bitcoin. If the deal is confirmed and implemented, it could provide a lasting boost to risk assets. If not, the market may experience renewed volatility. In the short term, Bitcoin's ability to maintain its recent gains will be a key indicator of investor confidence. The broader crypto market will also be watching for signs of a sustained recovery. Until then, the focus remains on the geopolitical landscape and how it shapes Bitcoin's price action. Another important signal is whether Bitcoin can hold above the $74,250 level and form a stable base for a potential upward move. If it fails to do so, the downward trend may continue. The market's reaction to the news also highlights the growing influence of geopolitical events on cryptocurrency prices. As Bitcoin becomes more integrated into global financial systems, developments in international relations and energy markets will increasingly impact its price. The next key signal to watch is the final announcement of the peace deal and how it is received by the global markets. The stakes are high, as the Strait of Hormuz is a major choke point for global oil exports. Its reopening would ease concerns. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. About energy supply disruptions and could signal a shift in global risk appetite. For Bitcoin, this could mean a renewed period of stability or even a new upward trend, depending on how the deal is received and implemented. Investors should watch for further details on the peace agreement and how it affects global trade and energy prices. The crypto market is still in a bearish trend, and a sustained recovery will require additional positive catalysts. The next few days will be critical in determining whether this geopolitical development is a temporary bounce or the start of a broader market turnaround.